As far as our overall strategy, we really want to make sure that security is built into all of the engineering processes and not something that security comes in after the fact. And that's where Snyk has really helped us out. My name is Sam Brown. I'm a principal DevSecOps Engineer at Expel. At Expel, we help companies with managed detection and response of threats. So we help provide Security Operations Center as a service. The most common challenges that I have in my role is that there's a large attack surface. When you're talking about the software supply chain, getting visibility into all of those different areas is sometimes pretty difficult. We want to involve the engineering team and make security just kind of the thing that we do as an organization. And Snyk makes that easier to do because it brings the risk and vulnerabilities closer to the engineers where that's going to happen and where it's going to get addressed. We're still in the early phases with Snyk, but the developer feedback has been great. I think the early integrations with GitHub have been amazing. And it also provides me that degree of visibility that I'm looking for so that I can look across all of the teams and understand how they're doing in relation to the vulnerabilities that have been found across the organization. My experience with Snyk as a developer has been excellent so far. The onboarding of the tool is extremely easy. They also support a variety of methods of getting the vulnerability information. So as a developer, I have a variety of tools to be able to see that data in a variety of ways, which really helps out. My experience working with the team at Snyk has been amazing. I think from the initial call, they were very focused on our success. Partnering with Snyk was absolutely the right decision. I would probably recommend it to anybody who's trying to get started and lift this off the ground quickly with a minimum of effort, but still get plenty of visibility to help you address the risk.